Rian Barameda. Good evening, Rian. Okay. So pretty in red. Lady in red. Can I have the other microphone on stage? Another microphone on stage. Rian, what we will do now is we have 10 questions here, and you will pick one and you will answer the question. I'm going to read it in Tagalog and in Italian. Okay? And your answer will be translated in Italian for our friend judges. Okay? This time, here's Feli and choose your question. Okay. Ako nanginginig. Rian, just smile. Yeah, okay. Okay, here's your question. In Tagalog, here's your question. Bilang isang gay, sa papaanong paraan ka makakatulong sa pag-unlad ng iyong lugar? At papaano mo sasabihin sa mga tao na karapat-dapat irespeto at igalang ang tulad mo na nabibilang sa third sex? So it's clear to you, and I'm going to read it in Italian. Okay? For our judges. Come ti senti all'interno della comunità?